Guys, welcome back to the Apple Connect, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Roblox keeps crashing on your iPhone as well as on your iPad, and how you can fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to tap on your settings, and from here you just have to scroll down and you have to navigate to general. From here you just have to click on background app refresh. And from here, what you have to do is just have to see whether the Roblox is there. As you can see that the Roblox is there and it is turned on. Now you just have to turn this off. And once it is done, you just have to go back. Now from here, what you have to do is just have to scroll down and you just have to click on iPhone storage. And from here, you just have to scroll down and select Roblox. And there is an option called offload app. You just have to select this and go for offload app. And once it is successfully done, you just have to go back and see whether the issue is solved or not. And if it's not solved, you just have to open your app store and you just have to search for the Roblox at the top. And you just have to select this and see whether any updates are there. If updates are there, just update the app. So this is what you have to do, and a basic tutorial when you're having trouble on the Roblox keep crashing on your iPhone and iPad. And I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon tomorrow. That's it.